Hello everyone, we are RUDRA Surgical from Mumbai. Today I am going to show you the Stauch type uterine manipulator, which is specialized surgical instrument used in gynecology and laparoscopic surgery. It allows surgeon to mobilize the uterus and providing better access to the surgical field. It is totally a stainless steel, reusable and autoclavable material, and it is articulated one. This is how we can move this further end of this instrument, and it comes with 4 clips. 2 is normal one and other 2 is a spiral one. This is how you can attach these clips. And this is how we can dismantle this one. These are all part of these instruments. For further information, you can contact us. Thank you.